guys ready for a guess?
3, 2, 1.
Grape.
Guava.
Emery, what did you say? Did you say grape? That's not even an option.
Guava.
Emery, that is hilarious.
Welcome back to the smaller half. We're gonna do a challenge, a wafers challenge.
Yeah.
So we're blindfolded and we have 5 different flavors: coconut, mango, pineapple, guava, and caramel. And we're gonna see if we can guess them. And there's not really a prize or anything, but without further ado, let's begin.
So as a kid, I always had the Neapolitan cream wafers. They were chocolate and strawberry and vanilla. So when I saw these, I was like, these are really cool. We've got to try them. Okay, so I'm going to put your first one in front of you. Guys, go ahead and try your first wafer. Tell me what you think.
It's like vanilla. Oh, I know what it is.
Me too.
All right, you guys ready for a guess?
3,
2, 1.
Grape.
Guava.
Emery, what did you say? Did you say grape? That's not even an option.
Guava.
Emery, that is hilarious. Okay, Kinley said guava, Ray said mango, and Emery said grape, which is not an option.
So,
Kinley won! It's guava!
I wasn't sure if it was mango or guava.
All
But I tested
right,
guava.
good job, guys. Emmy's texting about homework. Okay, 1, 2.
These ones feel thicker.
Okay, try the next. That's your old one. That's your old one. What flavor do you think this one is?
I can't taste
Nothing.
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 It's definitely something.
What do you think it tastes like?
Pineapple.
Coconut. It's coconut. I heard it.
Your guess is coconut. Ray, what's your guess?
Pineapple.
Okay, Emery, what's your guess?
What are options?
Mango, pineapple, dulce de leche.
What?
Coconut
Dulce
and mango.
de leche.
You think it's dulce de leche?
I thought that was caramel.
Dulce de leche. It's kind of like caramel,
What is it?
Caramel. So what do you, okay.
No, what's the
what it
answer?
really is, dulce de leche. Emery was right. Yay, Emmy, you got one right.
I
It's
don't
time to
like
party.
it.
The girl.
Okay, guys, try your next one.
What is it? Oh, I think I found it.
Tell me what you
It
think.
has sweet. Wait, I know exactly what this is. Oh, it's terrible. I know what it is.
Okay.
There's like a certain something I
1,
talk
2, 3.
Mango.
Kinley?
Mango?
Good guess, honey. It's mango.
I got
Good job, guys. Okay, guys, this is the 4th cookie
Oh, wafer. This
wafer. 4th wafer. No, Emery, you're eating the wrong one.
one? I know you're kidding.
Emery, you're eating the wrong one again.
You're kidding.
No.
Where is it?
I'm serious.
This one?
Yes, it's so
I know
funny.
they're good.
It's so
I know.
funny.
I definitely know.
Give Emmy a second.
Wait a second.
I know.
Give me all the sense.
3, 2,
Wait.
1.
Pineapple?
Yes.
Coconut?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Okay, I'm
Right.
so far behind.
All right. There's only one left.
You have one.
Okay, guys, last wafer. See what you think.
I'm still doing my other one.
I'm so confused. What could this be? I think I know.
You think you know by process of elimination? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Emery. Okay, Emery and Kinley. 3, 2, 1, guess.
Pineapple.
Yay, pineapple.
Emery,
Good job, guys. Yep, take off your blindfolds. Do you guys
Guess
think?
what?
What?
On the soda challenge, you did pineapple left too.
Oh, really? That's funny. Do you guys like these kind of wafery cookies?
I
No.
didn't like that I lost the challenge.
Those look
Ray
so
did not.
weird.
Ray did not win. What
This
was your
one's
favorite?
chocolate.
It looks chocolate, but it's really coconut. Which one was your favorite, guys?
Mine.
Did I eat a chocolate one?
No, because we didn't have any chocolate ones.
No, one of these.
Coconut. Yes, you did. Okay, Emery, what was your favorite? What'd you do? Feed it to
Mine was
Bella?
definitely not mango.
Definitely not mango.
Ew, what happened to this
Definitely
one?
coconut.
Ray liked coconut best. Kinley, what about you?
Yeah, I like coconut.
Em?
I thought you said you didn't like them.
You don't really like any of them? Emery doesn't
No,
like
I like
sweets.
guava the best.
Guava? Really?
I didn't.
Ooh. Okay, guys.
I kind of like guava, I guess.
You kind of liked guava?
On the soda challenge, I like guava.
Nice. Okay, thanks, guys. Nice challenge. Bye.
Bye.